Hello there. Is this the right time to say goodbye to our usual sunscreen? Like sunscreen gel, cream, and lotion? I would say yes, this is the right time, especially during these communicable diseases. We are all wearing masks that protect this much, okay? Plus, good sunglass and wide brim hat will give you better protection. So, let's suit up against the sun. Only recently, we Indians started talking about the harmful effects of UV light. Do you know that if you are exposed to sunlight too much, what are the damage it causes to our skin? It will give us premature aging, wrinkles, and spot like things, and darkening of skin, age spots, and even cancer. And some of the medications like antibiotic and medicines for the pigmentation or acne need sun protection while using it. And if you are going for a treatment like laser or chemical peels, you need sun protection. Otherwise, you will have a reverse effect. Instead of getting a better skin after all this procedure, you will be damaging your skin if you are exposed to sunlight too much without much sun protection. So let's all gear up against the sun. And let's all wear the mask to protect ourselves and others from this communicable disease. Most of us are still figuring it out how to protect our skin from the harmful UV lights. Whether it is sunscreen lotion or cream or hat or sunglass or whatever. And today I'm supporting sun protective clothes are much better than using the sunscreen. And today's vlog I'm going to tell you how to protect yourself from the sun by wearing the right clothing. The sun damage is caused by the UV light, either UVA or UVB. So if you are using the sunscreen, lotion or cream, you will have to wear it before going out, either 20 minutes before going to the sun. And if you are spending too much under the sun, you will have to use it more frequently, like every 2 to 3 hours, you will have to reapply. And talk about going to swimming. What will happen? Again, you will have to reapply. And no sunscreen is going to give you full 100% protection. And there is no sunscreen which is waterproof or sweat proof. That's why I'm telling you, stay away from the sun, stay under the shade, or wear the right clothing. That will give you more and better protection. Am I talking sense here? I'm sure I'm talking sense here. So how you go about it? We all would like to wear light pastel cotton clothes while going out. But it's not the best cloth when you are talking about sun protection, because they let the harmful sun rays to get into our skin through the cloth. So keep these 9 points I'm going to tell you to save you from the harmful UV radiation. Number 1 is cover up your body as much as possible. You wear a long sleeve shirt, pants or skirts so that it will cover almost all the sun rays entering to the skin. Cover up your neck with bandanas or other cloths. Number 2 is wear bright or dark clothes. Dark colors like red, navy blue and the black shades will absorb the UV light, so it won't penetrate into our skin. You must have noticed surfers and snowboarders all wear bright and dark colored dresses. Number 3 is wear the right material. We all love wearing rayon and cotton while going to the sun. But it is proven that the tighter the weave, the better the sun protection. So it is always better to wear wool, corduroys or denim. Synthetic fabrics like silk, rayon and polyester will reflect the light. So it also will give protection. And make sure that your clothing will give good ventilation and wick off the sweat. An unbleached cloth contains lignin which absorb the UV light, thus giving the protection. And the fourth one is wear the clothing with high UPF. You must be wondering what is this UPF? Just like sunscreen SPF, there is something called UPF for the clothing. That means ultraviolet protective factor. So select a clothing which has got high UPF. UPF indicates how much UV radiation, either UVA or UVB, a fabric allows to enter into the skin. For example, if you are wearing a fabric with a UPF of 50, then it will give you 98% of the protection from the harmful rays. Only 2% will allow to enter. So just like sunscreen, you go above 30 UPF. So we always say, no, when you apply sunscreen, select a sunscreen which has got a SPF of 30 and above. Just like that, you select UPF also. Number 5th is wear a loose fitting garments. If you are wearing tight stretched garments, what will happen is UV light will pass through that gap and it will enter the skin. So if you are wearing a loose dressing, it will give more air circulation. Number 6 is choose the right fabric dye. Some of the commercially available fabric dye will give you sun protection. And some of the detergent available now will brighten up the cloth color. That also will give you sun protection. Number 7 is wear quick drying clothes. If your clothes are wet, it will allow UV light to pass through easily. So even if you're getting wet or your dresses are getting wet, what you have to do is dry up as fast as possible. 8th one is wear the right hat. A hat with at least 3 inches wide brim will give you protection from sunlight for the areas usually neglected like ears, behind the neck, etc. And also please note that don't use a hat with the brim which has got under the brim has got reflected surfaces. If it is not reflected surface, it will give extra protection from the reflected rays of snow or from the water. And the 9th and the last one is wear a good sunglass. Good wraparound larger frame glass with ANSI blocking label is available. That will be better for you to get a protection from the UV light, especially for the eyes. And darker the sunglasses doesn't mean it will give more protection from the harmful UV rays. So lighter shades with or transparent glasses also will give you protection, but we'll have to go and get a good branded ones. A couple of things to keep in mind. It is better to avoid going out in the sun between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. And if you have any meeting or parties, please make it in the evening hours. Also, if you are going to a high altitude or snowing places, you wear a hat and good sunglasses. And I believe whatever the parties or get-together is happening, you make it in the evening or in the morning, so that you don't need to wear a sunscreen. And my advice is show your face to your close friends or lovers or your family. Why you want to show your face to all, especially after damaging your skin from the sunlight? I was just kidding, okay. I think this was helpful. We'll talk more about sunscreen and other topics in my future vlogs. So stay tuned. This is Dr. Tajuddin signing off. Be safe from the sun and carpe diem. Namaste.